Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing at the zoo sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I walk to the zoo entrance.
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 I see the big zoo gate.
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 I buy a ticket at the counter.
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 I show my ticket to the guard.
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 I enter the zoo happily.
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 I see a map of the zoo.
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 I walk toward the monkey cage.
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 The monkeys are jumping around.
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 One monkey eats a banana.
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 I laugh at the funny monkey.
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 I walk to the lion enclosure.
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 The lion is sleeping peacefully.
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 The lion has a big mane.
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 I walk to the elephant area.
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 The elephant is very huge.
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 The elephant sprays water.
The elephant sprays water.
The elephant sprays water.
The elephant sprays water.
I walk to the bird section.
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 The birds are colorful and bright.
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 A parrot says hello to me.
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 I walk to the tiger cage.
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 The giraffe is very tall.
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 I feel a little scared of the tiger.
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 I walk to the deer park.
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 The deer are very gentle.
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 I feed the deer some grass.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the zoo sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day. See you next time.